Okay, you're in your iTwin and you want to walk around the model. Well, we all know that's easy. We can walk around the model. We can elevate up and down. But what happens if you want to set this at something that approximates the eye height? Well, that's what the setup walk camera tool will do. So this is how it works. We simply just, if I go and pick the floor, it'll set the camera at that floor height plus eye height, which is some kind of average. I'm not sure what metric that's been worked on. But as you can see, if I snap onto things, it maintains the eye view at 0 degrees, so looking straight ahead, like so. And again, as you can see, if I reset and then do this again, select the floor position, you can see that we can set that camera view wherever we wish it to be and then start our walk from that position. Once you've finished, just a right mouse button, a reset to stop that tool working. Again, like all the tools, there are settings down here, but they are relatively simple settings here. And that's how to use the setup camera walk tool.